Anna Maria Elisabeth Lisinska Jerichau Baumann was born 21 November 1819, died 11 July 1881. She was a Polish-Danish painter. She was married to the sculptor Jens Adolf Jerichau. She is associated with the Düsseldorf School of Painting. She began exhibiting there and in 1844 attracted public attention for the first time. After she moved to Rome, her paintings were primarily of local life. When Baumann was not traveling, she spent many hours a day in her studio in Rome. She was particularly fond of the Italian painters. Baumann had great success abroad, however, and had a special following in France where she was twice represented at the World Fair in Paris, first in 1867 and again in 1878. In 1852 she exhibited some of her paintings in London, and Queen Victoria requested a private presentation in Buckingham Palace. Among the portraits presented to the Queen was her painting of Hans Christian Andersen, completed in 1850.